From the beginning, Tyto has relied heavily on exports. The Canadian market alone was never going to be large enough for us. International expansion does carry risk, but with the right preparation and local support, that risk becomes much more manageable. Hi there. My name's Lauren Nagel, and I'm the Director of Growth at Tyto Robotics. At Tyto, we develop and manufacture test equipment for drones. We support companies around the world that are designing and building UAVs by giving them the tools they need to properly test motors, propellers, and full systems. Our products include thrust stands, wind tunnels, and propeller balancing equipment. Today, we are the world leader in our niche, and we're proud to say that our products are manufactured right here in Gatineau, Quebec. Globally, the drone industry is growing everywhere. From agriculture to delivery to defense, the tools we provide allow developers to move faster and to make better engineering decisions, which is essential because no matter the market, performance and efficiency are critical. From the beginning, Tyto has relied heavily on exports. The Canadian market alone was never going to be large enough for us. Early on, about 60% of our revenue came from the United States. While the US remains an important market, over the past several years, we've made a very intentional shift to diversify. Today, that figure is closer to about 30%, as we've increased our presence in Asia and Europe with the support of the Trade Commissioner Service and CanExport funding. In my role, I oversee our marketing activities and manage our funding applications. A big part of what I do is identify relevant grant programs, prepare the applications, and follow through on reporting. A significant portion is tied directly to our export development and market expansion. As a small company, every international trip is a major investment. Trade shows are expensive, travel's expensive, and entering new markets comes with uncertainty. We have to be confident that we're focusing on the right regions and the right partners. Because the drone sector also moves quickly, we have to move quickly too. If we don't develop the right products at the right time, a competitor can fill that gap, or customers may decide to build their own solutions. Staying close to our customers, whether through meetings, trade events, or distributor relationships, is essential. That's where the Trade Commissioner Service and their CanExport funding program has been extremely helpful. Through CanExport, we've been able to participate in targeted trade shows and conduct in-market visits that we likely would not have pursued otherwise, or at least not at the same pace. Without that support, we estimate we would attend about half as many international events each year. One important example was MSPO 2024 in Poland, a major defense industry show. As drone manufacturing increased in Eastern Europe, especially in Ukraine, we saw growing demand for reliable test equipment. The TCS helped us identify MSPO as a strategic entry point into that region. In preparation for the show, we met with trade commissioners to better understand the market and refine how we positioned ourselves. We translated all of our brochures and flyers into Polish and Ukrainian, which made a real difference on the ground. CanExport funding supported those translation services and part of our travel expenses. Attending MSPO was truly a game changer. It allowed us to better understand the immediate needs of the region and confirm that the growth we were seeing was real. Instead of relying on assumptions from afar, we gathered first-hand market intelligence and validated that this was somewhere we wanted to continue investing. Shortly after the show, those conversations led to new sales and new customers. We've seen similar outcomes in other markets. In India and China, for example, CanExport supported our travel and allowed us to strengthen distributor relationships and meet customers directly. It's led to significant sales and long-term partnerships. In China in particular, we went from very limited activity to one of our fastest growing markets. The CanExport program also helps us track our progress. We set clear targets at the beginning of each project, whether that's developing a specific market, generating a certain number of leads, or building a certain type of partnership. At the end of the project, in the reporting stage, we can clearly measure our success. That might be via new revenue tied to those leads from a trade event, new distributor contracts signed, or insights that guide future product development. It is very motivating to directly see the payoff at the end of a project. That accountability also helps ensure that our international expansion is intentional and strategic. To other Canadian companies considering entering a new market, I would say, do your research, vet your partners well, show up in person, and work with trade commissioners. For us, entering new international markets was never optional. International expansion does carry risk, but with the right preparation and local support, that risk becomes much more manageable. For us, the TCS and CanExport have made it possible to move faster, diversify more effectively, and pursue opportunities that align with our long-term strategy. We're proud to represent Canadian innovation and to show that leading technology sold everywhere can be designed and manufactured right here in Gatineau. We plan to continue building that momentum in Europe, Asia, and beyond.